name is Harshit. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am going to talk about tiger conservation. You know, tiger is the national animal of India. It is very intelligent and powerful animal. Tiger is the carnivorous animal. It means that it's a flesh-eating animal. We can find tigers in jungle, forests or grasslands. Now, tigers are one of the most endangered species on the earth. Nowadays, tigers have been hunted for their fur and organs. So, the total population of tigers is only 4,000 globally and is now decreasing day by day. So, conservation of tigers is very important for the balance of nature. How? Because they eat animals which could be harmful for our environment and helps to regulate climate change. Saving tigers is not only our duty, but it is also our responsibility. And we have to support our government in its project for protection of tigers. Also, we should know that if nature gives us something, and we must also be ready to give something back. Finally, we can do some small things like refusing to buy products which are made from wild animals and their skins. Thank you.